Welcome to Swat, a land often referred to as the Switzerland of the East. Nestled within the foothills of the majestic Hindu Kush mountain range in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, Swat is a land of remarkable beauty and contrasts. Here, lush green valleys carved by the winding Swat River give way to towering snow-capped peaks. Join us now as we journey into the heart of Swat, exploring its hidden gems and uncovering the secrets that make it a truly unforgettable destination. Our journey begins in Malam Jaba, a name synonymous with adventure and exhilaration. As winter descends upon the valley, a blanket of pristine snow transforms Malam Jaba into a winter wonderland. The slopes, once adorned with wildflowers, now beckon skiers and snowboarders to carve their own paths through the powdery snow. The air is filled with the joyous cries of families sledding down gentle slopes, their laughter echoing through the crisp mountain air. But Malam Jaba is more than just a winter destination. As the snow melts, it reveals lush green meadows carpeted with wildflowers, a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. So whether you seek adventure on the slopes or solace in nature's embrace, Malam Jaba promises an unforgettable experience. Our journey now takes us deeper into the heart of Swat, to a place often hailed as the jewel in its crown, the enchanting Kalam Valley. Here, the Swat River, its waters a brilliant turquoise, carves its way through the valley, its banks fringed by emerald green forests. Towering above us is the mighty Ushu forest, a sanctuary of ancient trees that seem to touch the sky. A short distance from Kalam lies the breathtaking Mahodand Lake, a vision of pure serenity. As we wander through the valley, we encounter the warmth and hospitality of the local people, their smiles as bright as the wildflowers that adorn the hillsides. Kalam Valley is not just a destination, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of nature's embrace. So come, let us lose ourselves in the magic of Kalam Valley, a place where time seems to stand still. Leaving the bustling heart of Kalam behind, we venture further into the embrace of nature, towards the tranquil realms of Ushu and Utro valleys. Towering pine forests, their emerald canopies filtering the sunlight, stretch as far as the eye can see, their silence broken only by the whisper of the wind through the leaves. Beneath their protective shade, alpine meadows explode in a riot of color, a vibrant tapestry woven by nature's own hand. For those seeking solace in nature's embrace, Ushu and Utro offer an unparalleled escape. Whether you choose to wander through the forests, breathe in the fresh mountain air, or simply sit by the river and listen to the soothing sounds of nature, a visit to Ushu and Utro is a balm for the soul. Our journey now leads us off the beaten path, to a place where time seems to stand still, a hidden gem nestled deep within the Swat Valley, Gabrel. Here, far from the familiar sights and sounds of civilization, lies a land untouched, pristine, and utterly breathtaking. Imagine a place where emerald green meadows stretch as far as the eye can see, carpeted with wildflowers that paint the landscape in a riot of colors. Imagine crystal clear streams cascading down mountainsides, their music a soothing balm to the soul. This is Gabral, a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature's raw, untamed beauty. The silence is broken only by the gentle whisper of the wind through the trees, the chirping of birds, and the distant bleating of sheep grazing on the lush pastures. Gabral is a destination that will stay with you long after you leave. The Swat River is the lifeblood of this enchanting valley. Its journey begins high in the Hindu Kush mountains, fed by melting glaciers and snow. Its waters are pristine turquoise, a testament to their glacial origins. As it flows down through the valley, the river transforms the landscape, carving deep gorges and nurturing life-giving oases along its banks. Villages cling to its edges, their inhabitants intrinsically linked to its ebb and flow. The river is their lifeline, providing water for their crops, sustenance for their livestock, and a source of livelihood through fishing. For centuries, the Swat River has been a source of inspiration for poets and artists, its beauty captured in countless verses and paintings. The Swat River is more than just a body of water. It's a symbol of life, a testament to the enduring power of nature. High in the mountains, cradled within the embrace of snow-capped peaks, lies Mahodand Lake, a vision of paradise that seems almost unreal in its beauty. The lake's surface, a mirror of the sky, reflects the azure blue above, broken only by the peaks that surround it like watchful guardians. Dense forests of pine and fir trees cling to the slopes, their dark green hues a stark contrast to the snow-capped peaks that rise majestically behind them. Mahodand Lake is a place of tranquility, a sanctuary where one can escape the noise and chaos of the world and simply be. Here, surrounded by such breathtaking beauty, it's easy to lose yourself in the moment, to forget your worries and embrace the peace that surrounds you. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the water, the lake transforms into a canvas of golden light, a truly magical spectacle that takes our breath away. Mahodand Lake is a reminder that paradise is not a place but a feeling, a sense of wonder and awe that washes over you when you least expect it. Our journey today takes us off the beaten path, away from the well-trodden trails to a hidden gem, nestled deep within the embrace of the mountains, Kundol Lake. The trek to Kundol Lake is an adventure in itself, a chance to immerse yourself in the raw beauty of the Himalayas. As we ascend, the air grows crisper, the views more breathtaking with every step. We traverse through dense forests of pine and cedar, their branches heavy with the weight of centuries. The journey is challenging, but with each step, we are rewarded with glimpses of the majestic landscape unfolding before us. And then, as if emerging from a dream, Kundol Lake reveals itself. This is a place of profound peace and tranquility, a sanctuary where one can shed the weight of the world and simply be present in the moment. Swat is a land where the earth reaches for the heavens, where towering peaks pierce the clouds, their snow-capped summits gleaming under the sun's golden rays. These mountains, part of the mighty Hindu Kush range, are not mere geological formations. They are living, breathing entities shaping the land and its people for millennia. The forests of Swat are a symphony of green, a tapestry woven from countless shades of emerald, jade and olive. These mountains and forests are not just a feast for the eyes, they are the lifeblood of Swat, providing sustenance and shelter to a rich diversity of flora and fauna. Hidden within their depths are elusive creatures, like the snow leopard, the Himalayan brown bear, and the majestic markhor, their survival intricately linked to the health of this ecosystem. These mountains and forests are a testament to the enduring spirit of the wild, a reminder of the importance of preserving these precious landscapes for generations to come. Swat Valley, a land where time seems to weave its magic through the very fabric of existence, is a treasure trove of history and culture, a testament to the ebb and flow of civilizations through the ages. Long before the towering peaks echoed with the crunch of hiking boots, Swat was a cradle of Buddhism, a place where the teachings of the Buddha found fertile ground. Ancient stupas, like the majestic Butkara Stupa, stand as silent sentinels, their weathered stones bearing witness to centuries of devotion. The Udagram Buddhist monastery, perched precariously on a mountaintop, seems to defy gravity, its very existence a testament to the human spirit's yearning for spiritual enlightenment. But Swat's story doesn't end with Buddhism. The Swat Museum in Mingora stands as a testament to this rich and varied past, its halls filled with artifacts from the Buddhist era, the Islamic period, and the traditions of the local Pashtun people. The Swat Valley, with its diverse landscapes ranging from snow-capped peaks to lush valleys, harbours a surprising array of wildlife, a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability. High in the alpine meadows, amidst the rocky outcrops and snow patches, roams the elusive snow leopard, a phantom of the mountains, its coat blending seamlessly with the rugged terrain. In the dense forests that blanket the slopes, the Himalayan brown bear, a powerful omnivore, forages for berries, roots and insects, its presence a reminder of the wild heart that beats within this landscape. The skies above Swat are no less teeming with life. Golden eagles soar effortlessly on thermals, their keen eyesight scanning the ground below for prey. The rivers and streams that crisscross the valley teem with fish, providing sustenance to both wildlife and the local communities. Swat's wildlife is a precious heritage, a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving these habitats for generations to come. As our journey through the breathtaking landscapes and cultural treasures of Swat draws to a close, we hope that you've been inspired to discover the magic of this extraordinary destination for yourself. From the snow-capped peaks of Malam Jaba to the tranquil shores of Mahodand Lake, Swat offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel guides and breathtaking destinations. Until next time, keep exploring.